These are the EarFun Air Pro 4i wireless earbuds. They have so many features to shout about, and at such a good price, are these really the best budget AirPods alternative? Let's find out. So a quick disclaimer before we do get into this video, EarFun actually did send these out for review. However, I've not been paid to make this video and I'm free to express my thoughts. Since I've got them, I've been using these as my daily throw-in-the-bag earbuds. Gym, flights, editing on the train, phone calls, walking through town, you name it, I've been using them. On paper, these look insane for the price, so let's dive into whether they actually deliver on those promises. The AirPro 4i are STEM-style wireless earbuds with active noise cancelling, transparency mode, app support, wireless charging, and high-resolution LDAC support for Android. They're rated IP55, so sweat and rain are absolutely fine, and they even support dual-device multipoint, which is massive if you jump between something like a phone and a laptop, like I usually do. And sitting at around £40 at time of recording, these are in that sort of mid-range to budget-level earbuds, but seem like they're so much more expensive. And a lot of that is down to the build quality and overall design of this product. So the case is a compact matte plastic, it's got USB-C on the back, and it even does support wireless charging, which really isn't common at this price. It's not premium metal or anything, it is plastic, but it does feel solid enough, and the lid snaps shut quite nicely. The earbuds themselves look very much like AirPods Pros. Short stem, silicone tips, and subtle branding down the side. Nothing, of course, groundbreaking design-wise, but they are really comfortable, and I've worn them for a few hours straight without any pressure or any fatigue. They also include a really good range of ear tip sizes in the box, which does become very important later on, and not something that you'll get at this price point elsewhere. The battery life is also genuinely strong. You're looking at around 9 hours without active noise cancellation and roughly 6 or 7 hours with active noise cancellation on. And the case itself pushes that total battery life to well over 25 hours. There's also fast charging, so a quick 10-minute top-up gives you a couple of hours of playback on the earbuds themselves. In the app, you get multiple ANC modes, including adaptive and environmental options, plus a solid transparency mode that is really rare for products at this price point. The ANC itself is surprisingly powerful for the price. It cuts out road noise, train rumble, low-frequency hums like you're on a plane really well. In cafes, of course, it won't silence everything, but does drop the overall volume enough that you can listen comfortably at lower levels. You also get gaming mode with very low latency, around the sub 60 millisecond mark, which is good enough for mobile gaming and even watching videos without any noticeable delay. From my experience of using it, the sound quality is warm and balanced, the bass is full but not muddy, the vocals sit nicely in the middle without being recessed, and the highs are crisp without being too harsh. Imaging is decent too. You can separate instruments fairly clearly. For a pair of earbuds at this price, it's really quite impressive. Call quality is solid in quiet environments and still usable in busier areas thanks to the noise reduction, though like most earbuds in this category, heavy wind can definitely creep in, and you don't want to be using it as your main microphone. This is a microphone test of the EarFun Air Pro 4i's. I've got them in my ears right now. There's no audio playing, there's no background noise. This is just the sound from the microphones themselves. And of course, crucially, as I mentioned earlier, they support LDAC, which means higher quality audio streaming on supported Android devices. That's genuinely not something that you usually see at this price point. In real-world use, these feel like a proper all-rounder. On a flight with active noise cancellation on and some low-volume music playing, the engine hum basically disappears. On trains, that constant rumble that you get is also massively reduced. Walking through town, transparency mode feels natural enough so that you don't feel cut off from the world and you can still have conversations with people nearby. Switching between my laptop and phone using multipoint works really smoothly, and if I'm editing and a call comes in, it swaps over without me having to dig into the Bluetooth settings, which I really like. So for everyday commuting, gym sessions, and casual listening, these really do the job. Now, of course, nothing's perfect. There are some downsides with this product. The first issue that I encountered with these is the touch controls themselves on the earbuds. They're not bad, but they're a little bit janky and not too intuitive at the beginning. For example, if I want to triple tap to skip a track, I'll sometimes accidentally double tap and pause instead. It does take a little bit of a while to build up that muscle memory, and compared to something like the AirPods, the control system just feels a little bit less intuitive. You can remap the controls in the app, which definitely helps, but out of the box, they're definitely not as seamless as some of the more premium options. The second issue that I encountered was slightly more dramatic. One time when I took the earbud out, the silicone tip actually came off and stayed in my ear. Which is not ideal, but that was likely because I was using a slightly larger tip size and it probably wasn't fully secured. So they do give you plenty of replacements in the box, like I mentioned earlier, but it's definitely something to be aware of, especially if you are swapping those tips around. Something to keep in mind. Some other smaller cons about this device as well is that there's no in-ear detection, so music won't auto-pause when you take them out. The case and overall design are fairly generic, nothing exciting, and the maximum volume could have slightly more headroom. It's definitely loud enough and should be loud enough for any situation, but just not enough to blow your ears off, which I suppose you don't want anyway, but something to keep in mind as well. So in conclusion, for the money, the EarFun Air Pro 4i are seriously impressive. You're getting strong active noise cancellation, great battery life, wireless charging, a multi-point, LDAC, solid sound tuning, and a fully featured app. That is a ridiculous spec sheet at this price. Now, are they as polished as something like the AirPods Pro? No, they're not. The touch controls themselves are slightly less refined, and the overall feel of the product does feel cheaper. But if you want 80 to 90% of the experience for a fraction of the price, these are very, very easy to recommend. If you're on a budget and want a proper feature-packed pair of noise-cancelling earbuds, these are absolutely worth a look. So if you'd like to take a look at these, then check out the link in the description down below. That is an affiliate link, and also we have been given an exclusive discount code just for you guys to use on Amazon. So if you'd like to use that as well, you'll get yourself some extra money off of these fantastic earbuds. If you did enjoy this video and of course it helps you out, then make sure to leave a like rating, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our future content as well. Check out this video on the screen if you want to learn more about the earbuds themselves in the unboxing video. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.